Hello friends, welcome back to another session and today's topic is 5 apps that can make you a good student. So today let's look at the 5 apps that can make you a good student and it's Sunday, fun day. So today is a non-academic session, so let us start. What's the first app? What's the first app name? Yes, it's Math Trick. So Math Trick is an amazing app. It can help you in maths problems. So how it can help you? There is single game, then joint game, then multiplayer. You can play around with the friends around the world, right? And how it can help you? It can give you a explanation. It can give you the tricks in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, explanation. That's right. That like so much explanation. Let me show an example. 45 square. 45 square in one shot. How much? So it can help you like that, and it will give you the good solution or the perfect solution to understand, right? And they will give you the explanation, right? They will give you the explanation for each problems, which will go into your mind fastly, and you can remember it for every time. So, what's the next app? What's the next app? Yes, it's Skills Logic Brain Games. So, it's Skills Logic Brain Games. So, how it can help you? How it can help you? Yes, you can play randomly, right? You can play randomly, and what you see here? What you see here? How many times you have seen this image below, right? You will be using the app. So, how much time you have seen this image? You can write there. If it is wrong, it will show you. If it is right, it will show you it's right. So that helps like that, how remember the things which happened at the past, and it there is which image is different, right? Here which image is different, improve your ability to distinguish details, right? It helps you for that, distinguish details, which image is different. And there is color coordination too. Yes, the organize and color, that can improve your color coordination. So it's an amazing app. And what's the next app? That's Steady Blue flashcards and quizzes. So here what happened, this is an amazing app which I have ever used. So what happens in this app? What happens in this app? So here you can create flashcards. You can create flashcards. So how flashcard can help you? Tell me how flashcard can help you. Flashcard, how it help means you can create a flashcard in it. So when you see the flashcard, everything will come to your mind. So if there is a long equation, and if you make a flashcard for that, the flashcard will be short. And when you see that flashcard, that full equation or full thing will come to your mind. So that's how the flashcard helps and conquer your course, and you will get your progress, how you are intelligent or excellent. So you can see everything like that in that app. And next one is take quizzes. Yes, take quizzes. You can take quizzes about that and track your result, how much you have scored. You have to track, right? So that also it can help. And access to study materials. Yes, each class you can select class like this, and it can give you the study materials for that specific class. So it's an amazing app. And the next feature that's interesting, the next feature that's interesting is share and collaborate with the classmates. Yes, it's like an school. So here what happened, there will be so much students, right? In the school there will be so much students, right? So here also there will be so much students, and you can share and collaborate with them. So it's like an online classroom, right? And next thing, that is study music memory booster, focus and learn. Study music memory booster, focus and learn. So music can clear your mind, right? Music can clear your mind, and music can help you focus, right? Music can help you focus. So improve your focus, get things done, and that can clear your mind. And there are offline songs, right? There are offline songs, and these songs will help you to concentrate in a specific thing. Okay, so and there is nature sounds add waves to your music, right? There are the clouds, then the nature, then the rain, then the mind, right? There are so much types of songs in this which can help you concentrate in one thing, right? And next app, that is stay focused app, block and tracker limit phone. So there is one thing that distracts us from studying. There is one thing that distracts us from studying. What's that? What's that? Our own phone or tab. So that always distracts us from studying. So how this app can help? How this app can help? So here what happened? You can, there is a strict mode, then there is a lock mode. Lock mode, it's like locking your phone, and set limitation on distracting or creating profile, right? So if notification or something come, we will go behind it, and the next and the next and the next, that like will be going, so we will be distracted from the study. So you can set limitation on distracting apps, right? So there is daily usage limit, right? There is daily usage limit, hourly usage limit. So in this app, what's the feature is, you can set, oh, from morning 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, I will be studying. So no apps should distract me. So if you set like that, the app or this app will block every app. You will be not, if you try to turn it off, if you go to the app or to this app, and if you try to turn it off also, you will be not able to turn it off. That's how it is much strict. And you can set daily usage limit. So if you set 2 hour, only 2 hour I will use the phone. After 2 hours it blocks the phone. After that, if you try to on also, it will, the phone, the phone, you will be not able to use it. And hourly usage limit and specific time interval, yes. So you can set like to 20 minutes. After that, my eyes will be very much strained, so this much time I should get an interval. If you set like that, after some 20 minutes you will be not able to use your phone for 5 minutes. So that's how it helps. And there is daily usage limit. There is daily usage limit and set usage limit for selected app, right? So what's the main app that distracts you? WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, that like apps, social medias can distract you. So you can set, if you install this app and you can set it there. This WhatsApp, I will use only 2 hours. Then after 2 hours, this app will be not allowing you to open the WhatsApp. If you try to turn it off also, it will not allow you to use WhatsApp. And will keep you focused, right? So that by the blocking that apps, that can keep you focused, right? So that's how the Steady Blue, or sorry, Stay Focused app works, right? That's how the Stay Focused app works. Matrix, Steady Blue, Music, and this what? Stay Focused. These apps are amazing, right? These apps are amazing, right? So that's all for today's session. That was the 5 apps. That was the 5 apps which can help you learn, or which can keep you in track, right? So see you in the next session with an amazing topic. Bye bye.